You seen the title in the thumbnail. You got my neighbor back in the day when I was a kid, Miss Naomi, to thank for introducing me to these butter swim biscuits. Guys, you're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Not many ingredients, but man, I really love this particular recipe, man. My neighbor used to make this all the time for us. So let's start off. We have some flour here, a stick of butter, some buttermilk, salt, baking powder, and sugar. That's all you need, guys. It's quick and easy. Let's get to it. Okay, so now we're gonna take our flour right here in our bowl. We're gonna add our baking powder, our sugar, and our salt. And we're just gonna get that whisked around in here like that. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna take our buttermilk and we're gonna add that. And guys, this is where it comes in at where you have to be careful. You wanna go ahead and get it mixed in, but you don't wanna over mix it. If you over mix it, that's when you don't get those fluffy biscuits. So you wanna just mix it just well enough to combine it. Just like that. Now we're gonna remove our dough, bring over our baking dish. So now I've already melted our 1 stick of butter here. And when you melt it, make sure you don't burn it, because this what makes this recipe so good is that this butter, these biscuits just swim in that butter just like that. Now we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna add that to the pan just like this. And once you get it in here, you wanna smooth that out throughout the pan, just like that. And you just wanna take a knife and kind of just add you some slits down here down the side. Well, I'll just say not down the side, but in the middle. And this kind of just gives it that, it's kind of dividing it out so as it cooks in these squares. All right, so I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna stick them in there. We're gonna let them cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, but definitely we're gonna check on them. Once they start to turn that golden brown, you wanna remove them, all right? All right, guys, so 30 minutes. This is what we have. Now I did put it on the broiler for about maybe about a minute or so to get that brown on the top, that look that we want on top. And I'm just gonna brush it here with some butter, some melted butter. And there you have it, guys. Butter swim biscuits. Man, this thing looks delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control, but I'm leaving measurements and ingredients in the video description below. So go ahead and check it out. And we're gonna go ahead and cut into this baby to see what it's about. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get over to quality control so I can show you guys what this baby's about, all right? Let's go. All right, guys, quality control time. Let's check out this. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you guys can see all that butter on there. Look at that butter, oh man. Well, I told you we gonna get butter in this thing. So, I mean, you can, of course, just like biscuits, you can eat this with, syrup or jelly. I ain't doing all that right now. I just want you guys to see how this baby tastes, even without it. You can just do it by itself. Listen, when I say buttery, I mean buttery, man. I used to love to spend the night over Miss Naomi's house. So when I woke up, she could have these butter swim biscuits, man. Hey, this bringing back memories, guys. Definitely need to check it out. Not your average biscuit, but something similar. You'll like it because it cooks in butter. So throughout the whole biscuit, it's nothing but butter. All right, so until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And guys, remember, now chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.